Jewel, real talk. Ever look in the mirror and think, who TF is this person? That fake smile at work? The exhausted small talk? That sinking feeling you've lost yourself? Bro, I've been there. Hard. My girl Rita hit this hard. Corporate lawyer by day, crying in her BMW by night. Felt like a stranger in her own skin. I sold my soul for this paycheck, she'd whisper. Then her fiancé left. Said she was empty. Ouch. But here's the wild part. That rock bottom? It was her blank canvas. She used a 3-step reinvention hack, stolen from a recovering addict-turned-monk. Step 1. Shatter your mirror. Your identity isn't real. It's just a story you've told yourself 10,000 times. I'm lazy. I'm not enough. I'll always be broke. Bullshit. Rita wrote new truths on sticky notes. I choose courage. I rebuild from ashes. Stuck him on her bathroom mirror. Ate breakfast staring at him. Repetition rewires your brain. Step 2. Fake the funk till you feel it. Waiting to feel confident to change? LOL. Action comes first. Rita acted her future self. Wore red lipstick to Walmart, felt insane. Said no to her toxic boss, hands shaking. Joined a salsa class, 2 left feet. Fake it till you become it. Your brain can't tell acting from truth. Do the thing into become the thing. Step 3. Burn the damn bridges. You can't reinvent if you keep visiting the old you. Rita deleted Instagram, comparison trap. Ghosted friends who mocked her dreams. Moved to a tiny apartment by BMW payments. Comfort equals enemy of change. She made it impossible to crawl back. Fast forward, Rita runs a surf hostel in Portugal. Teaches yoga at sunrise. Makes half the cash, but laughs twice as loud. That's reinvention. If you're done wearing a mask, smash subscribe. This channel's your witness. No judgment, just real rebirth stories. Want to help me free more souls? Join my Patreon rebels, link below. Every pledge funds identity rebuild kits for abused women, vets, and LGBTQ+ teens. You're not just supporting me. You're handing someone a sledgehammer to smash their mirror. Stop mourning who you were. Start building who you'll be. To my Patreon tribe, already changing lives, you're the revolution. From my guts, thank you. Let's keep turning prisons into palaces.